The EKSA E5000 Pro are currently some of the best wired gaming headphones that the manufacturer has to offer, and they do come with some pretty impressive specifications. These headphones feature a closed-back design, and you will be able to wear them for hours without feeling any discomfort. Thanks to their advanced 50mm drivers, these headphones can provide studio-grade sound quality, and they do come with a range of handy features and technologies that will improve your experience. In this review, we will take a close look at this gaming headphone, and we will go through its different features. Now, let's open the box and see what's inside. The packaging offers a full overview of the headphones. Inside this package, we find the following accessories. A removable microphone, with a 3.5mm audio to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and USB to USB-C extender cable, a user manual, a carrying case made of soft microfiber, and headphones themselves. The build quality of these headphones is excellent, and the materials used are definitely of very high quality. These headphones are very sturdy, and they will not feel cheap. The EKSA E5000 Pro features a comfortable design, and thanks to their closed-back construction, you will be able to wear them for hours without feeling uncomfortable. The main attraction is the 7.1 surround sound with 55mm driver, as well as enhanced bass output. Enjoy a far more immersive experience with accurate positional audio along with proximity cues. The detachable, adjustable microphone uses an AI-powered electronic noise cancellation chip to reduce background noise for clear communications. To not only can you hear other players, but to be heard clearer than ever. We like the overall build quality of the headset with big ear cups, thick headbands, metal mesh, and green accents. The ear cups are made from 100% synthetic leather, which feels very soft to the touch. The headband is made of metal, and it's also covered in synthetic leather. The headband is wide with decent cushioning, and it is reasonably adjustable. There are green stripes at either end of the headband and green stitching that attaches the cushion to the main headband frame. Taking a look at all the various components, we see how the letters L and R are shown inside the two ear cups, indicating the direction in which they must be worn. We clearly have a prevalence of the color green, the same color that the lights also light up LED placed inside the plastic structure that dominates the pavilions, with the brand logo in the center. Then, on the left earphone reside the volume selector, a button to mute the microphone, a multifunction button, the entrance USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm audio jack. This particular key has only two functions in reality. Holding it down for 3 seconds activates and deactivates the LED lights, and clicking once on it activates or deactivates surround 7.1. As reported on the package, in fact, these EKSA E5000 Pro are compatible with Nintendo Switch, PC, Mac, Xbox, PlayStation, and mobile devices. Overall, the EKSA E5000 Pro gaming headphones are a great choice, and they offer excellent value for the money. Their premium build quality and high-end specs are definitely one of the best on the market. Well, that's all for this video. You can like, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.